Hello, this is a tutorial for you to learn how to open up EASYBIB and how to make it work for your project. So you guys are doing research and I stumbled upon this wonderful article about Hirohito and Pearl Harbor, and I read it and I'm going to use the information for my project. I'm going to go to Google Docs and I'm going to open up a brand new doc. And in the top where it says Untitled, I'm going to entitle it Works Cited. The menu below, I'm going to hover over to Add-ons and I'm going to hover down to where it says Get Add-ons. Click on that. And I want to, in my search bar, search EASYBIB. And then hit enter. And I'm going to use EASYBIB Bibliography Creator. I'm going to click on the free button. It's going to bring me to where I will sign in with my Gmail account for my pinebushschools.org account, which you all have. And you're going to click on your name. It's going to ask for permission. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on Allow. EASYBIB has now been installed and you have a little pop-up here. You're going to go back to your add-ons and you're going to see now it is listed on your add-ons. So here we go. I'm going to click on EASYBIB Bibliography Creator and go to Manage Bibliography. On my right side comes the app that I want to use. The very top, EASYBIB, underneath where it says EASYBIB, it says Book, Journal Article, and Website. We are going to be using Website right now. So I'm going to hover over and make sure that I click on Website. Good. I want to go back to my article that I was researching that I want to make a citation for, and click on that article and copy and paste this item, this URL, into where it asks for the enter website URL. And then I'm going to click search. And below it tells you the style, it says what your results are. And here I have the title of the article from that website called Launching the War, Hirohito and Pearl Harbor. And I want to just go back and confirm Launching the War, Hirohito and Pearl Harbor. That is correct. So then I'm going to select it. And there is a red bar that says Add Bibliography to Doc. And you notice on your clean page, there's nothing there. I'm going to click. And not only does it add it exactly the way you want it to, it says Works Cited. You are to leave this exactly as is. Do not highlight, do not bold, do not italicize or underline or change any of the text. Leave it boring and plain. This is how it is formatted for you. So I have another article that I want to also put into this citation. By the way I got this to turn blue so that it is a link is simply by hitting space or enter, and it turns that link blue. The other article I found, which is a great website, and this gives a little background information about Hirohito, where the other one was about his decisions. This one is about who he was, which is interesting to read about prince from another country. I want this information, copy, and I'm going to go back here. I'm going to make sure that I have my website clicked on. I'm going to paste that article into my search bar, click search, and it says Emperor Hirohito from the Atomic Heritage Foundation. I'm going to confirm again, Atomic Heritage Foundation, Emperor Hirohito. Go back, and I'm going to select. I want you to notice that this one is the new one that I have just added, And then the other one is still there. It's still there, and they will stay there until you delete them. I'm going to add this, but I want you to see where it adds it. It's not going to add it underneath. It's going to actually add it alphabetized. So it's going to show up before this citation. E comes before L. And there I have both of my citations nicely alphabetized on my Works Cited page. That's all you need to do. When it's time for a book, you will simply click on Book, and you can put in the title of the book, or the ISBN, or a keyword, and then you would search for it and make sure that you have the correct title of the book, and it would alphabetize it and put it into your Works Cited as well. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please pop in. You know we're all here to help you. Bye.